Hey guys, welcome. And today we're going to be doing a little bit of cooking. And so here we go. I'm going to make some cobbler here. And cherry, blueberry, and raspberry cobbler is what I'm going to be making. So, and I'm going to be making it in a Dutch oven there. You can see it, yeah, in a Dutch oven. So let's see how this goes. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is get the charcoal ready. Got my fire starter, charcoal starter here. Sprinkle up the paper, get it all underneath there. Getting it started. Charcoal in here. Full. Alright, then we just light it, and if we can get it to light. Alright, get it lit, get it going. Alright, there we go, we got it going. So we'll Alright, now we'll just get this going for about 15 minutes. And it'll be... Okay guys, we are done. Got these heated up good enough. Okay, first thing to do is we're going to dump some of these down on the ground. And we can have some heat on the bottom. I'll probably put a little bit more than what I actually need for this, but it'll actually work. And then what we'll do is set this to get it started on the thing. Get this over here. Alright, I got this good and seasoned. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in there. And wipe it down in here. And each time you cook in a Dutch oven with the oil, you get it good and seasoned. The better things taste over time as you cook. Alright, so now I got that well oiled. So next little step I'm going to take is putting the cherries going in. Alright, it goes in there. we'll go with the raspberry, canned raspberry. I got, these are like 21 ounce, 3 cans of it. Get it mixed in there. And I like to mix it. You can put all one in there, but I like to mix my fruit in there. So the next thing we're going to do, put the blueberry in there. Last one I made, I had blackberries and raspberry. I figured those coals are hot. Those ones I got still on the starter will go into on the top. Try to get it good mixed in there. Now, the next part is the crust. You take some yellow cake mix and just sprinkle it on here. I'm gonna get it kind of level on there. Yeah. Okay, guys. There we go. Gonna get it flattened out in there. Alright. And we take your lid, set it on here. We'll put our coals on here. Alright. And get those kind of evenly spread out on the thing. Now, I got more on here than I actually need, but it's still gonna be good. Now what you want to do from this point is cook it for about 40-45 minutes. And every 15 minutes or so you want to switch the rotate the Dutch oven on the coals and rotate the Dutch oven on the lid about a quarter of a turn to have the heat going even. Alright, well, we'll see you when it's when I do the first turn, I guess, and then when it's done. Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna do a little turn here. And we'll just pick it up, turn it about a quarter of a turn. Then we'll take the lid and do a quarter of a turn on it. This spreads the heat out evenly as you're cooking. So that'll be all good here. So we got a little bit more to go. We got a couple more turns too. Alright, it's starting to smell good actually. Okay, here we go, guys. Look at that, it looks beautiful, don't it? Yeah, nice brown. Well, it's gonna taste good. Still bottom bubbling. It got dark outside, so I brought it inside. Alright. Well, thanks for cooking with me. And I'm going to end the video now and go ahead and enjoy this.